Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the air filter in your Dodge Ram 1500. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself in about 15 to 20 minutes. First, make sure your truck's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You will need a few basic tools, typically a flathead screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench, depending on your specific model. Now, let's get to the air filter housing. It's usually a large black box located on the passenger side of the engine bay, connected to the intake tube. You'll need to unclip the metal clamps or unscrew the bolts holding the cover in place. Once the cover is loose, gently lift it off. You'll then see the old air filter inside. Carefully pull it out, noting which way it was facing. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the airbox. A clean housing helps maintain optimal airflow. Now, take your brand new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and evenly, just like the old one did. Double-check that the rubber seal around the filter's edge is properly seated to prevent air leaks. With the new filter in place, reattach the air filter housing cover. Make sure all the clips are snapped back into position or all the screws are tightened down firmly. This ensures a tight seal, preventing unfiltered air from entering your engine. Changing your air filter regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, improving horsepower and fuel economy. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.